Okay, this is a straightforward job. We got a PRS SE custom coming in for setup work together with an upgrade of pickups. So he's going to use fisherman fluence pickup for this. Yeah, pretty much that's it. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a PRS SE custom. Um, Very nice. This is fresh from the shop. So what he needs to do is he wants to do a setup work. That one's number one. Number two is he wants to do an upgrade for his pickups. So he wants to swap out for fluence pickup. Then after that, the wiring will be modern humbucker set wiring, standard wiring with dual voice switching. So if you see the manual, is the first one, but of course in the diagram it says three-way switch, but the PRS has a blade style, so we are going to use that. Other than that, very quickly I'm just going to go through. It says here that modern humbucker set volume, pull volume for voice number 3, single coil, bridge and neck. Then for the tone, you pull for voice number 2, bridge and neck. Then after that, there is other voices as well. Voice number 1, Enrico modern active. Then after that, ceramic modern active, Enrico clean crisp and fluid. Then voice 2, ceramic modern passive attack. Then voice number 3, Enrico single coil glassy and scooped. After that, voice number 3, ceramic, the one in the back here, single coil cutting overwound single coil. So this is more, the voicing here is more like single coil, is a bit of the high, more treble-ish kind of sound. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna test. By the way, this is fitted with Diadario electric 1052 strings, this particular one here. So I'm just going to quickly go through. It's quite low right now. If I'm not mistaken, the Action on the 12th fret is 1 mm for the bass side, then around 0.75 for the treble side. This might be a bit too low for most people because there is slight buzzing here, a slight buzzing when you play, but it doesn't go through the amp. So to some people they can tolerate that, but when he come and pick up the guitar, then we can adjust accordingly. Okay, so this is the test. So it's on bridge full, everything is full. Okay, then I'm gonna switch to the back part here, the way it works. Okay, I'm gonna pull. Right, to the rhythm pickup. Very good actually. It sounds nicer on this guitar. Previously I've done a couple on a Les Paul and a Sterling, but I think this combination, I'm not so sure why, but I think it's just maybe the build quality or the feel of the guitar. I particularly like PRS guitars, so probably that is why I like it more when it's on this guitar than the other guitars that I fitted this fluence pickup on. So yeah, sounds good. So there's two other things. Number one is let me know if you want me to remove the sticker. Okay. Then number two is the volume knobs, right? The original knobs is gonna be a very tight fit. I highly suggest you change or you get another knob. If I were to squeeze in the old knobs, it is a bit too tight, then it might damage either this port or the knob itself. So I rather you get a new knob, slightly a bit bigger, maybe a CTS knob with the screw at the side to actually lock it in place. But other than that, guitar is very glassy. Yeah. Okay. So guitar is good. It should be ready by tomorrow. Let me know if you want to pick up tomorrow, then we make some arrangement to have you to pick up this guitar. Okay, I think that's it. See you when I see you. Bye. Like it. Sorry, my playing is very sloppy. I haven't been playing for quite some time. So yeah, guitar is pretty good. Bye. Okay, if you need my help with any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 841-89951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.